Looking for the absolute best wireless mechanical keyboard in 2026, expert reviews in 2026. We've analyzed the top 5 models to help you make an expert decision. All links are in the description. Let's dive in. I'm thrilled to share my experience with the YUNZII C75 Wireless earbuds. These sleek and compact earbuds have exceeded my expectations in every way. The first thing I noticed was how comfortable they were to wear, even during extended listening sessions. The earbud sits snugly in your ears, providing a secure fit that stays put throughout the day. The sound quality is impressive, with clear and detailed highs and lows. The bass is robust and satisfying, making it perfect for music lovers. The wireless connection is stable and reliable, allowing me to enjoy my favorite tunes without any interruptions. The battery life is also noteworthy, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge. What I appreciate most about the YUNZII C75 wireless earbuds is their value for money. They offer high-quality sound and features at an affordable price point. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with my purchase and would highly recommend these earbuds to anyone in the market for a reliable and enjoyable listening experience. With their durable design and impressive performance, the YUNZII C75 wireless earbuds have earned a spot in my daily playlist. I recently had the opportunity to try out the MechLands Aula F75 PRO, a high-performance gaming keyboard designed specifically for competitive players. From the moment I started using it, I was impressed by its exceptional build quality and tactile feedback. The mechanical switches under the keys provided a snappy and responsive feel, allowing me to register even the lightest keystrokes with precision. The Aula F75 Pro's ergonomic design also made it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing fatigue and improving overall gaming performance. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its customizable RGB lighting system. I was able to personalize the colors, patterns, and effects to match my gaming setup and create a truly immersive atmosphere. The keyboard's compact tankless design also helped me save desk space while maintaining all the essential keys. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the MechLands Aula F75 PRO and would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a premium gaming keyboard. Its impressive performance, sleek design, and feature-rich customization options make it an excellent choice for serious gamers. Whether you're a pro player or just starting out, this keyboard is sure to take your gaming experience to the next level. The 8-bit Retro C64 is an authentic, plug-and-play emulator that brings back nostalgic memories of the Commodore 64 era. This handheld console is designed to mimic the original experience, allowing users to enjoy their favorite retro games on the go. With its compact design and ergonomic shape, the Retro C64 is perfect for gaming enthusiasts who want a portable device without sacrificing comfort. The controller layout is faithful to the original C64 keyboard and joystick setup, making it easy for nostalgic gamers to pick up where they left off. The 8-bit Retro C64 supports over 10,000 games from the Commodore 64 library, including popular titles like Impossible Mission, Defender of the Crown, and Boulder Dash. The device also features a rechargeable battery that provides up to 12 hours of continuous gameplay. Overall, the 8-bit Retro C64 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to relive the retro gaming experience. Its authenticity, comfort, and feature set make it an ideal companion for gamers who want to revisit their childhood favorites or explore new classic games on the go. With its impressive library and compact design, this handheld console is sure to delight retro gaming enthusiasts of all ages. The Logitech G715 Wireless is an exceptional gaming headset that delivers unparalleled performance and comfort. Equipped with advanced wireless technology, this headset offers seamless connectivity to your console or PC, allowing you to focus on the game without any lag or interference. The Logitech G715 Wireless boasts a range of impressive features, including 30-hour battery life, rapid charging capabilities, and customizable lighting that adapts to your in-game surroundings. The headset's 7.1 surround sound system provides immersive audio that complements your gaming experience, making it feel like you're right in the midst of the action. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit for extended periods of wear, and the soft ear cushions provide excellent noise isolation. Additionally, the Logitech G715 Wireless features a retractable microphone that allows for crisp, clear communication with teammates or opponents. Overall, the Logitech G715 Wireless is an outstanding gaming headset that checks all the boxes for comfort, performance, and style. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional sports athlete, this headset is sure to elevate your gaming experience. With its impressive features and exceptional build quality, it's no wonder why the Logitech G715 Wireless has become a top choice among gamers worldwide. The YUNZII C75 Wireless mechanical keyboard is an exemplary blend of style and functionality. Its compact 75% layout makes it perfect for those seeking a more streamlined typing experience without sacrificing key accessibility. The hot-swappable switches grant users the flexibility to personalize their typing settings, ensuring a tailored fit for individual preferences. Durable die-sub PBT keycaps deliver a satisfying tactile response, while the keyboard's aesthetic charm is elevated by the RGB gasket and backlighting option. Connectivity options abound with BT 5.0, 2.4G, and USB-C modes, accommodating various user setups including Mac, Windows, and gaming configurations. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its customizability through switch swapping, making it an attractive choice for enthusiasts seeking to upgrade or modify their typing experience. Whether you're a writer, gamer, or programmer, the YUNZII C75 offers the right balance of form and function. With its long battery life, compact design, and impressive feature set, this keyboard is sure to meet the demands of users seeking a high-quality wireless mechanical typing solution. Overall, the YUNZII C75 Wireless mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their productivity or gaming experience. That wraps up our list. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.